So let us solve this math problem taken from an SAT math reviewer. So here's the problem. What is the value of z if 3z plus 4z plus 7z is equal to negative 42? So A is 3, B is 1/3, C is negative 1/3, and D is negative 3. So before we solve this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel at the end of this video if you think you have learned something from my work. So, all right, so let us rewrite this first. So I'm gonna use another color for this. We have 3z plus 4z plus 7z equals negative 42. So you can combine like terms um, on this equation. So if I say term, it's these terms. There are three terms here because terms are separated by plus or minus sign, and they are like terms because they all have the same. It's called literal coefficient. They all have the same z, unless one of it is a z squared, then it's a different or a different variable. But since it's the same z, so we can combine them all. So 3z's plus 4z's. So if you add this 2, it will be 7z. And then if you combine 7 and 7, so that's 14z's in all. Equals negative 42. And then we, in algebra, we want only the variable to be alone at the left side or one side of an equation. So we have to remove that 14. So to remove that or eliminate that, we do the opposite operation. So if 14z is a multiplication, 14 times z, so we do the opposite. So we divide in both sides. So we can cancel this. And what's left is a z is equal to negative 42 divided by 14. So how much is that? So we can reduce it if we think it's a fraction, or we can divide it if it's an exact or a whole number or an integer. But we can reduce it to be sure because we don't know if it's a fraction or not. So both are divisible by 7, but you can also divide by 2 if you are not sure with some other numbers to divide. So as long as it's a common number that can divide both 42 and 14. So the new form will be 42 divided by 7 is 6, and then copy the negative sign, and 14 divided by 7 is 2. Now this is easier to simplify because negative 6 divided by 2 is just negative 3. Oh, sorry, negative 3. So that means the answer for this problem is negative 3.